What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be discussing how Barrett is developing and currently designing a MRAD chambered in 6.8x51mm. So Barrett Firearms Manufacturing Inc. have announced an ongoing program to design a 6.8x51mm caliber conversion kit for the Barrett MRAD MK 22 Advanced Sniper Rifle System. So the MRAD Mark 22 is currently fielded by the U.S. Army and can currently be chambered in .338 Norma Magnum, .300 Norma Magnum, as well as the 7.62. Now, Barrett says the new caliber conversion kit is being developed to support the U.S. Army's next generation squad weapons program, high pressure, high performance 6.8 ammo, and the NGSW family of weapons systems chambered in .68 currently includes the M7 rifle, the XM8 carbine, as well as the M250 automatic rifle system. And development of a conversion kit is a logical step, providing common caliber flexibility for personal and bringing an additional caliber capability to the Mark 22 platform. And this is I'm just reading from the Firearm blog, so all credit to them, but quote, Barrett remains focused on ensuring the war fighter maintains a decisive capability advantage through continued innovation and adaptation of proven sniper systems, end quote, said Ryan Krantz, Vice President of Business Development and Sales for Barrett. Quote, as ammunition technology and battlefield requirements evolve, Barrett is committed to remaining the leader in long range by delivering adaptable mission-ready solutions for the Department of War, end quote. So Barrett is currently engaged in maturing the design of the 6.8 barrel kit and magazine configuration to ensure reliability in all types of conditions and environments. And the development isn't a Department of War program. Instead, the effort is being independently funded by Barrett to, quote, ensure the capability is available should operational requirements emerge for the enhanced performance offered by both general purpose and special purpose 6.8 ammo types, end quote. So the caliber conversion kit will be designed to utilize all nature of the U.S. Army's 6.8mm round, including its XM1186 general purpose ball, and as well as the XM1188 reduced range, and as well as the special purpose round. And Barrett says they'll release more information on the 6.8 chambering for the MRAD as testing continues and the project evolves. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a like, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated, and it really helps me out in the algorithm, guys. Type as a comment of what you think about this news. And as always, subscribe, ring the bell, and check out my older stuff on the channel. Take care.